Can a trademark become public domain after 100 years? I'm going to answer this question in the next 3 minutes. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney, and I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademarks and copyrights. If you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live video. So someone asked this question. Does a trademark become public domain after 100 years? And the person asking this question is getting a couple of different concepts confused between trademark and copyright. So for the trademarks last as long as you keep using it. So if you have a trademark that you started using 200 years ago and you're still using it today, that's still your trademark. You can continue using your trademark and keep filing your renewals, your registration renewals at the trademark office, and you will have rights over that trademark in perpetuity so long as you're actually using it for your goods and services in commerce. Now, there is a concept called public domain, but that is a copyright law concept. And the details around this are a little bit confusing because there are different rules depending on when the creative work that is subject to the copyright was produced. But generally, your copyright does not last forever. It will continue for a certain amount of years after the person who created the material that's the subject of the copyright has died. So it means that their heirs and kids, maybe grandkids, can still benefit from the creative work that they produced and license it and monetize it. But copyright does end after a certain number of years, again, depending on when the work was produced. That is in contrast to other forms of intellectual property like patent that do have an expiry date. So trademarks, no expiry date. As long as you're using the mark in commerce, you can continue to assert those trademark rights. Patents and copyrights, they have an eventual expiration date. I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights, so let me know if you have questions. Drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them live. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you get all my latest intellectual property, copyright, trademark updates. You can find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm also on YouTube at video.TrademarkDoctor.net/YouTube. I am on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor and a couple other social media channels that I just can't remember right now, but I'm pretty much everywhere. So let me know if you have questions, and I'll be back tomorrow.